Hey guys! Really bummed that I don't get to see you in person today, but we're still going to do an art project, and I've actually got a challenge for you guys. Every student that does this project and sends it via Google Classroom, they can choose a color of paint, and I will put a strip of that color of paint on my face. So let's see how many kids can do this assignment and see how much paint I can put on my face, okay? We'll do it from today until Friday, and on Friday I'll do all the paint on my face, okay? So we'll do that for all of our assignments. I thought that'd be a fun little challenge. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we are going to make a sun and a moon. We're going to talk about warm and cool colors as well. This is the project we would have done in class. We would have used paints. Unfortunately, we didn't get to paint because you guys aren't here today, but if you have crayons or colored pencils or markers or anything like that, we'll use those instead, okay? So, what you need is a pencil and a piece of paper. I'm going to be using a Sharpie just so you can see while I'm drawing a little easier, but yeah. So we're going to hold our paper horizontally the long way side to side like mine. We're going to start by drawing a big circle in the middle of your paper. That's going to act as both our sun and our moon. Now only half of our circle is going to be the sun, so around half of our circle we're going to do a zigzag line for the sun rays. Excellent. And then inside those sun rays we're going to add little triangles. Beautiful. So next we're going to work on the moon, and for the moon we're going to start by making a curved line coming from the top, a curved line coming from the bottom, but then we want to leave a little space open for the nose, okay? So once we have that, we're going to add just a little triangle poking out for our nose. We're going to make a mouth going from the sun to the moon. If you want to give one of them lips or both of them lips or none of them lips, totally up to you. So I'm going to do some lips on my sun, but again, you don't have to if you don't want to. You're going to give your sun and your moon an eye, and you can do whatever type of eye you'd like. I'm going to give the little cartoony closed eye to my sun with some eyelashes. I'm going to do a sleepy eye for my moon. I'm going to give my sun a little cheek. You don't have to. Again, your design. If you want to add anything else like stars or clouds or anything like that, you're more than welcome to add any little details that you might want to add. At this point, you are going to color in your drawing, and you can color it however you'd like. The only thing I want you to do is use warm colors on the sun side and cool colors on the moon side, okay? So, what's a warm color and what's a cool color? That's a great question. A warm color, think of things that are warm, so like a sun or fire. It's yellows and oranges and reds, okay? So on the sun side, I want you to only use reds, oranges, and yellows. On the moon side, we're going to use cool colors. Cool colors are blues, greens, and purples, okay? Think of the movie Frozen, right? Frozen, cool. Or you could say Frozen, cool movie. There's a lot of blues and purples and greens in that movie, okay? So you can decorate yours, color it in however you'd like with warm colors on the sun side, cool colors on the moon side. When you're all set with that, you're going to take a picture of it and upload it onto our Google slideshow, and you can comment a color that you'd like for the paint that I'm going to put on my face. Okay? Again, every kid that does this assignment, I'll put one spot of paint on my face. So let's see how much we can get. All right. Can't wait to see what you guys make. I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're still staying healthy.